So today we are in Cozumel. We did a catamaran, went to this like inflatable water park thing, and then we're gonna go walk around the island. So we're gonna play GoPro chicken, you know? Got the strap on. Alright. Test one.
Okay, hold on. Look. Oh, hey, you have to try to balance it. Oh, wait. No. All right, he got it. Where's my hand? Yeah. Alright, you going, Caden? We're up on this giant ball. Oh shoot! Yeah, it was really hard to get off. You gotta knock everybody off. Oh really? Yeah. Oh, last one's here. Oh god.
Shift this way!
Let's try to make it go in a circle. Okay. Alright.
Alright,
so leaning. Okay, yeah, so leaning. Ready? So
which way first?
Oh, whoa!
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh, wait! We're going sideways.
This thing is dangerous.
I know.
This is the crazy ball that we were on.
Alright, I have like no battery left. Switch GoPros. I'm about to go kayaking. We had to turn out the other way for a second. Alright, ready? Right, left. Man, we're doing a good job actually. Right here, just left for a second. We gotta turn. Off to lunch. Alright, we got lunch. And I just started like grabbing stuff, so this, I don't know what it is. I'm not really sure what this is either, but it looked good. So I got some sort of cake thing with some ice cream and whatever this thing is. Stop.
Bradley coming to you from the Disney Fantasy.
In Mexico!
We just did our excursion on the catamaran, and there's like an inflatable water park thing. Now we're gonna go walk around the island. I've successfully obtained a sombrero.
It's a giant bobblehead.
Only on 7. Out of breath. Oh my god. Alright, so I got my sombrero. Not sure how much of it you can see, but I didn't cheap out. Got the really big ones.
Here we go, check it out. Straight from Mexico.
So I got the sombrero on. I'm gonna film on my iPhone so I can like sort of hide this and get, well, people's reactions to it on the pool deck. Like my hat. Yeah. A lot of people looking at it funny and give me a thumbs up or something. So now I'm gonna go show the people in the lovely boat next door what I'm all about. I gotta tighten this so my hat doesn't blow away. Hey everybody! Happy Hanukkah! Gotta switch cameras, the other one died, so iPhone died. And I'm back in the room, so why not go with the better quality, right? This dude's cleaning the deck and he scared me. I'm gonna go wave to him. Hey! Hello! Yeah. So today's been extremely hard to film since it's so windy. I stopped because there's a guy walking by who stared at me. But yeah, it's almost dinner time. Wow, there's a really bad echo in here. It's almost dinner time, and then tonight's pirate night, which is one of my favorite nights ever. If you've seen the previous cruise videos, you know what it is. So yeah. Hate filming around people.
Jitsu master. No, I want my sword. Wait, no, use your sword. No, don't take my knife either.
Got 3.
Starting off tonight with some escargot. So I'm in like a huge rush right now. We just got out of dinner late. The Buccaneer Blast is starting, and that's the pirate show with the fireworks. I gotta grab a lens and another SD card because I'm out of space.
A little help from my crew with nice Sally. Give me that gauntlet, Sparrow. Fire! One big happy family! Who wants to see what this little kid can really do? Fireworks. Yeah! Let's light up the night sky, Sally! Oh, here's a victory! Here's to our new crew! And here we see what adventure is like! I'm a pirate!
We just did the pirate night thing, all the fireworks and stuff, and now we're gonna go see a magic show, but they don't let you film, so you won't see that. So the magic thing was completely insane, really incredible. I was just like, it's like crazy to think about. Like, just my mind was, I was mind blown. But now I think I'm gonna go get some clips, and I don't know what footage is on here and what isn't, like what I have said and what I haven't. So some things you might see, like me cutting to my house. Just to kind of explain what's going on, because I'm not doing a good job of that, because I'm just trying to capture everything and not really trying to sit down and talk about it on camera, just so I can get everything done.
This was the magic show that we saw.